Yeah, what's going on, Twitter Army? We are back, and we got a new episode of Nerf Wars. Definitely tell you guys about the blindfold challenge, the 6th sense. So we're gonna do something like that again. That is that we're trying to show you guys tons of fun ways. This guy just loves to do this. Is that what my hands are doing? No! Fun, cool Nerf games you guys can play. Fun, cool Nerf games you guys can play at home with all your friends and families. So this day is gonna be awesome. We're gonna be doing hide and seek. Nerf 4, hide and seek. Now, how you play this game is there's a base. We're gonna use the deck as the base. We got hiders and we got seekers. If you are a seeker, you're trying to find the hiders.
Yeah.
If you find all the hiders, each hider is worth a point. If you're the hider, you can get the base, you get a point. And everyone's gonna have a jolt. All the little hiders are gonna have a jolt, and if you hit the seeker, you stun them for 5 seconds. You only have 1 bullet, so you gotta be very careful when you shoot this guy off. If you're the seeker, you get any gun that you like. You can't go anything more than a 35 mag, you know. So that's the maximum. You can use any gun you want. How to determine who's gonna be the seeker, considering if you're the seeker, you have a better opportunity to get more points. We're gonna do a fidget spinner contest. Everyone has seen the clubhouse. How many fidgets we got? We got tons and tons of fidgets. So everybody, all 4 of us, we picked our favorite fidgets that are gonna win, and whoever spins the longest, that one's the seeker. First person to 5 points is the winner of the whole entire thing. That's how we're gonna play this. You guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
You guys ready out there?
Yeah.
Well, let's see who's gonna be the first seeker.
All right, for round 1, I'll be using the Mumbo Jumbo.
Okay, this round I'm gonna use the Batman Cool for another fidget. I'm gonna use the Fire Fidget Spinner. Yay!
This one seems to do the job really nice and easy. This is called the Golden Mamba. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Mine looks like it stopped. Look, and now it's gonna go in reverse. Oh, mine's already dead.
Here's a sad.
What in the world? That is so sad. Uh-oh, Mom's coming up. Mommy's coming up. Uh-oh. Liam's looks like it's coming to an end here. This one right about now. Guys in the comments below, who do you think's gonna win? It's gonna be... And Liam... Stop, finally. Look, Eli's still going. Okay, Eli's the winner.
gosh.
Eli's gonna be the seeker.
Woohoo!
All right, Mr. Eli, you're the first seeker. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's say that you have to count to 28 and then open the door up and say, ready or not, here I come. All right, we're gonna go hide somewhere. I bet you can't find us. There's no way you're gonna find us. You ready to do this?
Yeah.
There's no way he's gonna get us. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
There's no way he's gonna find us here.
Here I come! Here I come!
Oh, here comes Eli. We're really gonna find a new arsenal wall. Look at this. All those guys.
I'm gonna come after where you are! Are you behind this?
Ah, okay, you got me. Keep going. You gotta look for Daddy and Eli. I mean, Liam.
What are you doing? You scared me.
I changed my mind. I want to be here.
Well, come on. We gotta get to the base. We gotta get to the base. Jeez.
I can see your screen! I can see your screen. see your friend?
You hit?
Nope. Let's do it. That's scary.
Did I get you?
Nope.
Oh, shoot.
I'm dead. Yes! You won! We won! I got him!
All right, Eli has 3 points. That's crazy. You got us all. You're a crazy man. So Eli's got 3, we all got 0. Now it's time for round 2. Try to figure out who his secret is. I'm using one that's got like beads in it, so I'm calling this one Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
I got the, like the circus.
Is it a circus star?
Yeah. I got the black
Put it
Batman
down.
store.
The black Batman star. Everything is Batman today. What's mommy got?
Mommy's got star power, baby. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Oh,
Okay, ready? Mommy's gonna do it. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
I like
mine's
that one.
just poop.
Mine's pretty.
Oh my gosh, mine is going to be done like now. Now his is starting to slow down. Look at Liam's. And he's done. And so is Eli's. Oh man, I got the wind
Yours is
resistance.
doing bad.
Look
Yours
at that,
is
there's
doing
no
good.
wind resistance at all.
His mouth's blown over.
It
there.
is, oh, it's beautiful. Look at the shake, rattle, and roll, still shaking it. Oh, look at that, it's beauty, 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 beauty. Okay, Daddy is now the seeker. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna show them what's up. We're gonna do 3 quick ones. We're using the regulator. There's no way on earth that they're gonna be able to escape the regulator. This thing is awesome. We're gonna go three round burst. They're done. It's over. 25, 26, 27, 28. Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. What was that? Let's see. 3 round burst. 3 round bursties. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Let's see here. I have to do it this way. Hello? Ew, it smells in here. Oh my gosh. Should we be downstairs? I'm sure they're downstairs. Hello, Sammy. Where are the family? Where's the family? Or could be in the pantry. Oh boy. Unless that was. Oh yeah. Someone's there. Got the mommy.
Sammy ruined it.
No, Sammy was in the dining room.
She walked in. As soon as you opened the door, she walked right to me.
All right, they gotta be down here. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't check the playroom. Let me check the playroom. Woo! Oh, they both there. Oh, you got me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! Oh, I missed. Now what are you gonna do? Now you got to run. We got to run. Oh boy. Line him up. Line him up. I got you. Where'd he go? What? No one's made the base yet. He's still back there. Hello. Oh, he's still back there. Hello, Mr. Bear. Hello. Do you have someone behind you? Yes, I do. He's behind there. You better go get him. Yeah. Hello. Butt shot. Instead of headshot, butt shot. All right, Daddy played like a champion and got 3. So we got 3 for Daddy. We got, what, 3 for Eli?
Yeah.
None for Liam, none for Mommy. I think it's time that Mommy and Liam need to step it up a little bit here.
Come on, Liam.
They're doing a little bit of C+ work right now. What do you think? All right, you guys ready? Yeah. Time for round 3. Mine is called, this is the Bailey one, Hug Like a Champion, so let's call it Hug Like a Champion.
One's for the tank and it has a key on it. I got the light and one that glows in the dark.
Oh, gee, so we're gonna call it the Glow in the Darker?
I got the dolphin one. I'm gonna call it Leonardo and Da Vinci.
And what's the other
and
one?
Juliet.
Oh my.
3, 2, 1, go! Daddy, look at yours! Daddy, look! Mine already stopped.
Guys, comment below who's gonna win. Obviously, Liam's out.
Really?
I think it's Mommy, but look, this is what I mean. It just keeps going. And then, Daddy again! Daddy! Yeah! Round 3. Secret is Daddy. Let's go. All right, time for round 3. We got Tri-Strike coming at you, fully loaded. I'm gonna see if we can get away with these guys. Let's check it out. Looky, looky. Cam's gonna help me out.
Yeah, choose a white design.
Exactly. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. You ready to get them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Cam, ready? Here we go, Cam. Cam, come on. Ready? Ready or not, here we come. Oh, there's Beckers. Come on, let's go. Hey, Bex. Hello, Becky. Hello, Becky. Hello. Did you have a fun time in that last video? Did you have a fun time in that last video? That was fun, wasn't it? Rawr. Is this a cool gun? Do you like this? Is it cool? Yeah. Okay. Let's go find them. Oh, they in there. I got a hound. Okay, make sure this thing's loaded. We're ready. I got a hound. Oh, Mommy! Oh my goodness! Are you serious? Oh shoot! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come on, Cam. We gotta find them.
3, 5.
Okay, making sure. I don't know if what. Where's Liam? Where's Liam? Is he downstairs? Is he in the box? I missed. I got you. What a hiding spot. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Okay, time for round 4. I only got 1.
I had 0.
So that was Liam. I got 1 point. So I'm at 4. Eli's at 3. Mom is 0. Liam's 0. They still haven't picked the pace. What's going on, you two? Okay, anyway. Round number 4. Liam, you can do the honors. This is called the Mighty Mouse. That's what I'm calling it because it's tiny, like Cam. And he is mighty, like a mouse. Liam, what are you calling yours?
Captain America.
That's pretty
From that movie.
obvious.
From that
From that
movie.
movie, you know, Captain America. Okay.
I'm kind of from the Black Storm.
The Black Storm.
It's a bow tie.
That's nice. I would call it a bow
A
tie, but
black
that's not me.
storm. It's a bow
Okay,
tie.
and Mommy, what does Mommy have?
And I am going to go with the Mean Machine because this looks like the gears on a machine, and I think it's going to be really mean and beat everybody.
Oh my. Okay, before we spin, comments. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
3, 2, 1, go.
Mine's going to lose it. Look, it's slowing down.
No, mine's lost. Liam's already lost. I'm gonna be second out. Who? There I go.
I think Eli's going to win. Where did Eli go?
Eli with the Black Storm. All right, Eli needs 2. It's gonna be Eli. Eli
Does he have now
needs
3?
2. He has 3 to win.
You have 4.
I have 4. If I get to the base, I win.
Before he gets somebody,
Before he
then
gets
you would
2.
win immediately.
Yeah, before he gets 2.
You're trying to go. Hang in there.
Oh, finally.
Done.
Wow, that last 10 seconds was crazy.
Oh,
Okay,
done.
Eli, Seeker. He's going to try to find us. I need 1 point to win. It's going to be awesome. But he needs 2. Oh, what's going to happen? I don't know. Let's go. All right, kiddo. It's time for you to be a Seeker. You ready to go?
Yeah.
What do we got? We got the Raven Fire 35 mag. Oh, man. You get to try to find me, though, because if I beat you, if I get out here, it's over. It's over. And all I got is this jolt. It's a good old jolt. Okay, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, count 28. No way.
Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You're up. Here I come.
I'm free! I'm free! Boost, boost, boost!
I got you. I just shot you. You're down.
We won.
You made it!
Yeah.
Oh, everybody made it! Because she wins.
Yeah.
Because she wins.
Did you win?
Daddy wins! Daddy wins! Daddy wins! Daddy wins! Daddy! 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 Number one! Always number one! Alright guys, well, who's crowned champion? Daddy.
Mommy.
Daddy wins.
Daddy.
Daddy wins, and I'll try. You guys put in the comments that I did not win the freeze tag. No, I did not. That was Mommy. She definitely won that one. Mommy wins. What was the last one we did? The 6 cents. Daddy wins this one. Mommy wins freeze tag. So Mommy's up 2 games to 1.
Go, Mommy.
So
Hashtag girl power.
Oh no. Put in the comments hashtag whoever you think's gonna win the next one.
Girl power.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smack the like button in the face. I will see you next time, friends. Bye. Woo, back here.
Aw,
Hello.
baby.